My Instagram reel got so viral when I shared my contrasting opinion to Narayan Murthy. Lots of controversy in the comments and millions of views. Let's check out the video. This reel is about Narayan Murthy versus European companies. I worked in typical IT Indian services companies and then also in European. Welcome to Remote Work Truths, day 21 of 30. It was my first time ever to learn something about a thing called holacracy, and you will know why you really need to know about it too. Imagine working at a company where there are no leaders or subordinates and everyone works at the same level. Yes, there are thousands of such companies that exist and are also profitable, which have a flat hierarchy. My experience working at one was mind-blowing to say the least. It was truly a global company with people from different ethnicities, backgrounds, experiences, and countries. And despite such an amazing work culture and unlimited paid days off, I was able to develop and deliver a mobile app with just 5 more people on my team in under 8 months and also got 8 lakh downloads. They offered my 50-member product team a fully paid in-person meetup in Spain, and with my so-called work-life balance, which Narayan Murthy sir considers stupid, I was able to explore 7 countries and also work on my own side project. I understood having work-life balance is not a too good to be true thing, but it is a basic work ethic that must be offered by employers if they truly value their employees. Comment and like to make this reel reach Mr. Narayan Murthy, and stay tuned for tomorrow's part about my crazy work experiences working with NASA, Olympics, and other super fun projects. My experience of holacracy and how unique it was for me, coming from a background where we do not see anything like that. And people bashed at me for disrespecting Narayan Murthy. Here's my take after all of that controversy happened, and let's go in and dive on the comments. Point number 1. I acknowledge that he's a great businessman and he has created lakhs of employment opportunities for Indians. Point number 2, I really liked the people who were polite in their comments, and I acknowledge that I was creating a contrast between one side of Narayan Murthy and the other, which was European work style. But that was the intention to make that video. Now here's what I still stand with. I am sharing employee experience in both the cases. How employees are treated in typical Indian company and how I experienced my employee life in a European company. My suggestion was never to copy and paste the template, but to understand the nuances and also realize that there is a way to still respect your employees while getting the work done. Number 2, the nationalism angle. I did not understand what is the point of mixing up nationalism with overworking. Like what? Employers can use this against us just to make us work more because they are getting the direct profit out of the overwork that the employees do. Number 3, just pay the employees and then make them work more if they want to. It should not be a mandate, and it should never compromise with the work-life balance of employees. And calling work-life balance a myth, that's really disrespectful and almost inhumane. Let me know what your stance is in the comments below, and we will keep the discussion open because there's so much to discuss about the work-life balance which people don't have a voice on. Thank you so much, and see you in another video.